After the final, all the finalists, they all follow different paths. Some of them, they will definitely become top models. The best in the world, they all started at the elite model look. Some of them, they might have just a regular career. They will work without achieving a really top place. And some of them, perhaps, they will not even work as a model. It's kind of impossible that everyone is going to work a lot. Anyway, there is something that will connect them forever. The fact that these 40 contestants, they were all the finalists of the 40th Elite Model Look World Final. In 10 years, if they see each other somewhere, they'll say, hey, you, like, I know you. We did together the Elite Model Look back in Prague, right? Oh yes, like, what are you doing now? Well, I'm a doctor, I live in London and I have 4 kids and I never really worked as a model. What about you? Well, it really worked for me. I became a top model and I'm still working in the business. But there is something that put them together. The fact that in 2024, they were in Prague sharing this amazing experience that can be life-changing.